look what I just pulled out of this giant candy bucket. We've got these huge rainbow lollipops, candy sprays, and so many jelly cups.
I have been waiting for this! Let's see what's inside! Oh my gosh, look at this giant chocolate bar! I have been waiting for this package! We got the sour ones. Let's try this right now.
I am so excited for this giant mystery box. Let's see what we got. Wow, look at all these gummies and lollipops.
All right, guys, these are the biggest bags of imported candy I've ever seen. Let's open the Japanese one first. Oh my gosh, look at all this.